Hello, Sabadi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today, guess what? Yep, PHO. I'm going to show you how I make pho. Let's get started. You're going to need half teaspoon of MSG, 5-star anise, a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 cinnamon stick, half an onion, and 1.5 tablespoon of palm sugar, and 5 pieces of ginger. And guess what? I know that a lot of people may not use this, but I use this all the time. Every time I make pho, I use this packet of beef broth flavoring pho. So good. And also for the beef bone, I'm going to use oxtail. Okay, let's get our pot ready. I'm using a medium to small size pot. I'm going to go ahead and add in a total of 12 cups of water. And we're just going to let it sit on the stove until our water boils. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and char grill my oxtail, my onion, my star anise, and my cinnamon stick, and the ginger, just like so. Just char grill it till it's brown. Now that the water is boiling hot enough, go ahead and add in our oxtail, the one that we char broil. Add all of it in there. Okay, now you want to add in our onion. And then the cinnamon stick. And the star anise. And the ginger. Add in your tablespoon of fish sauce. Your 1.5 tablespoon of palm sugar. Add in our salt, our MSG, and go ahead and add in 1 whole package of this artificial beef flavoring pho mix. I love this packet of pho mix. I use it all the time in my pho every time I make it. Don't knock it till you try it. I swear to God, it tastes so good, just like the restaurant. So what I'm going to do is let this cook in low to medium heat for a whole hour and come back and check on it. Okay, we're going to leave this pot for 1 hour. And in the meantime, let's go get our other ingredients ready. This is the fresh rice noodle that I'm using. We bought it from our Asian market store. And I don't know which part of the beef this is, but my husband already got it cut for me. Very thin slice. Now I'm just chopping the cilantro. Chopping off some green onion. And you notice I already got my sliced onion ready in that tray. And I also got some bean sprout. And this is the 2 kind of meatball I use. I use the beef meatball we got from the Asian store. And the pork meatball that we also got from the Asian store. Okay, now our tray is ready with the beef, meatball, noodles, bean sprout, cilantro, green onion, and sliced onion. Let's go back and check on our pot. Okay, so this is the pot after 1 hour. I'm just skimming off the fat and the impurity from it. Okay, look at that. You see that? That's all the fat from the oxtail. I'm going to add regular water to the same level that we started off with. After I skim off everything and added the water, I'm going to add the meatball, the pork, and the beef meatball. And I'm just going to let that cook for another 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes has gone by. I'm going to go ahead and remove the onion from here. I'm also going to remove the star anise and ginger and the cinnamon stick if I could find it. And go ahead, I'm going to skim off the impurity also. If you like the video so far, hit like and subscribe. Remember, as much as I skim off, that's how much water I add on back. You see that? It's looking so good. Look at the broth. So clear. Lightly golden brown clear water. You know it's going to be some good pho. Look at that. You see how beautiful it is? I know some households don't skim off the fat and stuff, and there is nothing wrong with that, trust me. Look at our oxtail. Okay, so cook time was a total of 1.5 hours. on low to medium broil. I mean, you could cook it longer, but I'm really hungry. Let's get ready and start our bowl. In this bowl, I have noodles that I blanch cook for like a couple seconds, and some thinly sliced piece of beef, bean sprout, sliced onion, green onion, cilantro, and some meatballs. And of course, you can't forget our biggest piece of the oxtail in there. Looking at this, I'm already hungry all over again. All right, let's pour in the liquid gold, which is the pho broth, our beef pho broth. Look at that. Yummy. And I'm going to add in our garlic oil. I'll put in the description below of how I made this. And making the garlic oil was the easiest thing. Trust me, you got to give it a try. And also, I will also put in the description below how I made the chili oil. And this was also really easy to make too. If you like your pho spicy, put lots of chili oil. I also like adding black pepper to mine, so I'm going to add a little bit. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look good? All that time spent cooking it was well worth it. Here you go. I'm about to devour this. I did add a squeeze of lime on here because I like mine a little bit sour. Look at that juice coming out of that lime. Thank you for watching.